Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the intricate relationships between humans and the environment. I'm your host, David, and I'm thrilled to share with you a fascinating story that's making waves in the scientific community. Imagine swimming in the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas, surrounded by an array of marine life, including sharks. These apex predators have long been a source of fascination for humans, but today we're going to talk about a rather unexpected twist in their story. Researchers have discovered that sharks in the Bahamas are testing positive for a range of substances, including caffeine, painkillers, and even cocaine. Yes, you heard that right, cocaine. It's not just a problem for humans. It seems that these illicit substances are making their way into the ocean and affecting the very creatures that call it home. A team of marine biologists analyzed blood samples from 85 sharks of 5 different species, and the results were startling. 28 of the sharks had detectable levels of caffeine, painkillers, or cocaine in their blood, with some testing positive for more than one substance. Now, you might be wondering how these substances are ending up in the ocean. The answer lies in human activity. Urbanization, tourism, and our daily habits are all contributing to the problem. Medications, illicit drugs, and other substances are increasingly recognized as contaminants of emerging concern in oceans and other bodies of water. It's a sobering reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences, not just for humans, but for the entire ecosystem. The researchers behind this study are sounding the alarm, highlighting the need to reassess our habits and address marine pollution in ecosystems often perceived as pristine. The data show that sharks with contaminated blood had changes in metabolic markers, including those tied to stress and metabolism. While it's not clear if these changes are harmful, it's possible they could lead to behavioral changes, which is a concern for the health and stability of shark populations. As we continue to explore the natural world, we're reminded that our actions have a ripple effect on the environment. It's a complex issue, but one that requires our attention and action. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of storytelling and how it can shape our perceptions of the natural world. In our previous segment, we delved into the intriguing realm of animal communication. Now, let's take a closer look at how one animated film is challenging traditional notions of harmony in the wild. The movie Hoppers has been making waves with its refreshingly candid portrayal of what happens when prey and predators attempt to band together. Set in a reality that closely resembles our own, the story follows Mabel Tanaka, a college student who uses experimental technology to communicate with animals and save her beloved forest glade from destruction. As Mabel navigates this complex world, she quickly realizes that the glade's inhabitants have not left of their own accord, but have been pushed out by the scheming mayor, Jerry. The movie takes an unexpected turn, interrogating the limits of collective action and the challenges of achieving progress in the face of adversity. The film's portrayal of the animal kingdom is far from the typical Disney-esque depiction of harmony and cooperation. Instead, Hoppers presents a more nuanced view, where different groups of fauna have their own agendas and interests. The mammals are led by a charismatic beaver named George, who insists that everyone can still live in harmony, while Mabel takes on a more revolutionary approach. As the story unfolds, we see the animals' efforts devolve into chaos, with a megalomaniacal butterfly seeking revenge against humans and a flock of seagulls lifting a shark from the sea to attack the mayor. The comic violence is balanced by a sobering lesson. Merely knowing that you're in the right isn't enough. The takeaway from Hoppers is that our radical hopes and dreams must be tempered with pragmatism. The film's message is a nuanced one, encouraging young viewers to think critically about the complexities of the natural world and the challenges of achieving positive change. As we consider the themes presented in Hoppers, we're reminded that the natural world is full of intricate relationships and competing interests. The film's portrayal of the animal kingdom may be fictional, but it highlights the importance of understanding and respecting the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we've been exploring the fascinating world of wildlife and the natural sciences. For our final segment, I'd like to share with you a remarkable story of cooperation and community in the animal kingdom. Researchers from Project CAT, a non-profit organization dedicated to sperm whale research, have captured on camera the birth of a sperm whale in unprecedented detail. The footage, recorded off the coast of Dominica in 2023, shows a female sperm whale giving birth surrounded by 10 other sperm whales, almost all of which were female, but not all related to the mother. What's remarkable about this footage is that it highlights the cooperative nature of these intelligent creatures. The group of whales worked together to support the laboring mother and took turns lifting the newborn to the surface for hours, allowing it to breathe air until it could swim on its own. This behavior is crucial, as newborn sperm whales are negatively buoyant and would sink without the help of their community. The researchers were able to identify each whale's position and role in the birthing process, thanks to their extensive knowledge of the individuals involved. They found that the whales from two different female lines, which don't typically spend time together while foraging, came together to support the newborn. The 4 whales that maintained the most consistent contact with the calf included the mother, aunt, an elder kin member, and a whale from outside the kin group. The team also analyzed the audio recordings of the event and found that the sperm whales made specific sounds, known as codas, during important moments in the process. These sounds changed throughout the birth, and the researchers even detected more variability in the whales' vocal styles when they encountered other pilot whales. This incredible story highlights the complex social structures and cooperative behaviors of sperm whales. It's a testament to the power of community and mutual support in the natural world. As we conclude today's nature walk, I hope this story has inspired you to appreciate the intricate relationships within the animal kingdom and the importance of cooperation in our own lives. That's all for today's nature walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.